Good day everyone, my name is Kiara with AQ and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do hit the subscribe button down below. So for today's video, I will be making some DIY creative planters from recyclables. So first, we will be making holes to cut it in half for a good water drainage and for the string to make it a hanging planter. And for decorating, we will be needing glue gun and some old accessories. Plastic gloves or rubber gloves, and sticks. And syempre yung lupa. Nandito yung lupa sa ilalim. This plant is called Mother of Thousands, alligator plant, or Mexican hat plant. The scientific name is Kalanchoe diagramontiana, or commonly known as Virophyllum diagramontianum. The most unique part of this plant is it is easy for propagation. The tiny plantlets that grow along the edges of the leaves, and these little plantlets will drop easily from the main plant, trying to take root wherever they land and find soil appropriate for their growth. And for the next planter, this planter will take a little space from your garden. Just grab a wood, some plastic bottles, and cut it in half and attach it with a heavy-duty stapler. And this step is optional. You may use any color of spray paint you like. In ours, we use the color gold. At last but not the least, we will be making a planter from a old coconut shell. If you happen to buy some coconuts for your buko salad or for your fruit salad, especially on holidays or on your birthdays, might as well do or try this project. The benefits of a coconut pot or coco pot is it is eco-friendly reforestation, it is organic, no harmful substances, it has a water holding ability, and it has a natural drainage. Do not overwater the plants. Before putting plants to your coconut pot, don't forget to expose the coconut pot to the sun to take away the molds. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do visit my channel for more videos. You are always welcome to my channel. So bye, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.